on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add lightning to an image. I have a picture here of little Frankenstein, and the idea is that I want to have lightning kind of coming in from the top of the photo. So in order to accomplish this, I'm going to be using some of our brushes that we have available in our online store, the Urban Rhino Photoshop brushes, and in particular the lightning brush. I already have these loaded onto into my brushes here, and there are several different ones you can choose from. And basically, you want to make sure you have a white brush selected and create a new layer. So you want an empty layer, that way it doesn't affect your image. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here, but you can see this is the shape, and it reminds me of the little dragon off of Mulan. But where you could just hover over wherever you want it to go. If you want to change the direction, if you click with your mouse and select around here, that will change the direction. So for instance, if you want it that way or here, I want it to come in like this. And I'm going to put it kind of right here. And then I'm going to select a different one because, you know, how often do you see the same lightning? Not very often. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm just using my bracket keys to enlarge this. And I'm going to put a few more, and then I'm going to show you how I add a little bit of a blur. And on this particular one, let's change the direction. Let's see, what am I shooting for? I have it coming in a little more that way. And then let's put a couple more just to show you what happens then from here. So we'll add that one. I'm going to put one that kind of connects them. If you connect these, and let's make the angle a little. Okay. I don't like that one there. It's over his head. So you can see, you know, you can kind of experiment with this, get it how you want. We'll just put one there, see how they connect like that. And then what you would do from here, once you get all your lightning wherever you want it to go, is if you make a duplicate layer, so a copy of that layer, and go into the filter gallery and go to blur, Gaussian blur, and then I've got it set to about 50, the radius, and you can see it adds a blur to that second layer. So this is without it, and this is with the blur. Kind of a glow. You know, the lightning is going to put off, that light is going to put off a glow. That's why we add that. If you wanted some, you know, so for instance in my image, if I wanted lightning to go behind him, but I obviously don't want to cover his face, I would just create a layer mask and use a black brush and brush it off of him. So I already, you know, kind of played around with this before, and this is what I was left with. So you can see the glow. There's the lightning that's kind of connecting here and just really kind of lights up the top part of the image there. So again, these are available in our online store under the brush collections, the lightning one. I hope you guys enjoyed
connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.